Welcome back, Iowa State 96 here. I got a Stanley garage door opener for you guys today. This is at my friend's house, and we're going to run the door. Here we go, here's the old button. Beautiful garage door opener. Nice, you got the torsion springs, nice. This looks like an overhead garage door. This is torsion springs, are those new? Torsion springs?
Not really.
No, that's pretty cool, I'll run this up. This is awesome. I love the opener. That's beautiful. That's actually, let's just step out and just shut the garage door from here. There it goes. Here's the outside of the door. Beautiful. That's it, guys.